It's February 17th, 2016, and I'm out at a customer's house today that they were having problems last summer with their heat pump. Obviously in the air conditioning mode, wasn't cooling properly, and since maybe August, I'm guessing, they've probably been paying about $150 to $200 extra per month. That's September, October, November, December, January, and February. That is 6 months of maybe $200. That's $1,200 of higher utility bills than normal. And what I found is the problem with the air conditioning is the same problem with the heating. That's why they had me out here to fix the heat and address the air conditioning issue. It's all the same problem. It was a bad outdoor fan motor, and the system was low on refrigerant, and I believe it's low on refrigerant due to the caps being loose on the outside, two different places where the previous technician did not tighten them with a wrench like he was supposed to. But anyway, I figured I'd share that with you. This happens a lot. I see this on a regular basis where people wait to get their heating and air fixed because they're maybe not sure who to use or how much it's going to cost. And in this case, it ended up costing them 1.5 times what it should cost, or 2 times, or actually in this case 3 times what it should cost altogether. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you today. If you have a problem with your heat pump, don't be afraid to get a diagnosis. You don't have to do a repair if you call a technician out. Just pay in the diagnosis and wait on the repairs if you have to. And at that point, if you don't trust the technician on the diagnosis, get a second opinion. A lot of companies out there, including myself, Joe Burns Heating and Air, we offer a free second opinion behind other companies because we realize you've already paid a diagnosis and it's hard to pay multiple diagnoses. So anyway, give me a call today. Joe Burns Heating and Air. Thanks a lot. Subscribe.